Hi, I'm Vikram Gore and you're watching MotorScribes. I'm out here at the global premiere of the new Volkswagen Sedan, the Virtus. This one's coming out in May this year and they've given us the sneak preview, so to speak, today. And it is their new global sedan. It will be exported to 25 different countries and it will be made in India at the Volkswagen Chakan facility. It is a stellar machine. They've done a grand job in terms of the styling, given it the new design language. So up front you can see that it's got that very bold, wide look, the nice, neat lower bumper, something that we saw on the Taygun as well. The brand new Volkswagen logo is there too. So neat lights, a nice wide stance, sharp creases along the body, and even the rear has been done up really well to give it this sort of upmarket premium sedan sort of look and feel. And speaking about size, it is the largest sedan in its class. And what that has done is it's opened up a lot of space inside the cabin too. So when you get seated inside, what you get to see is a nice spacious cabin, really nice crafted seats, a beautiful dash that's been done up with a lot of tech. So you got a digital driver cockpit, a massive touchscreen interface, wireless charging, USB points. It's got it all on board. And when we come to the engines, like the Taygun, the new Virtus will also have a 1 liter TSI as well as the 1.5 liter TSI. The 1 liter TSI makes 115 PS of power, while the 1.5 is their GT badge version, which you get for 150 PS of power. And needless to say, you know which one the enthusiasts will go after. But Volkswagen's done a great job in terms of pairing them with a choice of transmissions as well. So the 1 liter, you get a 6-speed automatic torque converter, and you also get a 6-speed manual. And on the GT with the 1.5 liter engine, you get the 7-speed DSG, and you also get the 1.5 liter with a 6-speed manual as well. Now, like I said earlier, this is going to be launching in May this year. I'm hoping to get my hands on it before then. Let's hope that Volkswagen does the drive before the launch. But needless to say, the one thing that remains to be seen is the pricing. And the way that Volkswagen surprised us with the Taygun, I'm hoping for a similar surprise with the Virtus as well.